Hello guys, welcome to our Capstone backend project BookMyShow. BookMyShow is a web application designed to simplify the process of booking movie tickets. Its main components include a user-friendly interface that enables users to select their preferred movie, time slot, and seat for available options. The project employs a combination of local storage and MongoDB. Local storage for storing selected data temporarily and permanently we have used it for MongoDB. It also displayed the last booking ticket details. This project contains both front-end part and back-end parts. Front-end section is created by React library and back-end section by the Node and MongoDB. For creating this project, we have created two back-end API. First one is the post API, the other one is the get API. Post API for save the selecting data of movie, time slot, and the seats. And the get API for fetching the last booking details. So let's dive into the backend part where I will show you the both post API and the get API. Since the post API where we have designed a schema where movie slots are string types, where seat are object where A1, A2, A3, A4, D1, D2 are the rows, where A1 to D2 these are the number types. So suppose we have sending the data, request data to the server. Suppose I will go to change ranges and I will change the row and the slot time also. Suppose 5 p.m. When we hit back to the send options, see we have get the response body where movie is in the array types and the seat are the object where A1 to D2 rows are into the array and where slot are also in the array option. Now we have also integrate the validation. Suppose if I miss the slot and post it, it will show the error where slot is required. See, it show the slot is required. In same way, it will give error for the both movie and seats. Suppose if I sending without movie, it will show the error movie is required. So movie name is required. And for save the data, we have connected the store the data into the MongoDB Atlas. So this is the MongoDB Atlas and this is our database name book movie and book movie ticket is a collections. So if you reload, it will show the data which we have posted now. See this one the new movie and this one will be the we have posted now. New movie Avenger. Now I am deleting all the data so that I will show you if there is no data into the MongoDB, what will be the show. So this is our get API. Suppose if you click on the get, since there is no data into the in our database, so it will show no there is no booking records. No previous booking found, this message will show. Now let's go to the post API and book some data. So data is successfully saved. Now let's go to last booking and fetch the last booking details. It will show the last booking details. And one validation is also done if suppose if we post the same data as already exist into our database, it will throw error that this data will already exist. See, movie new number slots are already has a booking. Now let's dive into the front-end parts. So these are front-end parts where we are sending the request data by selecting a movie from the available options and selecting time slots and selecting the seats. So for temporary, we have stored the data into local storage. If I inspect, if I select a movie Suraj Par Mangal Bhari, so here local storage, the movie data will be stored and for the slot and for the seat also. 5. If I reload this page, our data will still persist because we have saved data into our local storage. Now if we hit submit, our post API will work and save the selected data into our database. Let's see. See our booking successful, it message so. And here last booking details also show. We have selected 5 movie Suraj Par Mangal Bhari and slot will be 10 AM. And we also integrated some validation into our front-end part. Suppose without selecting any data, if we click on the submit option, it will show error. Please select the movie slot and seats. Please select a movie, select the slots, and select the seats. So this is our backend database where we have saved our data into the MongoDB cloud, and we have deployed our backend project into render, where this is our application. This is our link, backend link. By providing the routes, it will show the get API working and show our last fetch, last book data. A1 is 5, movie Suraj Par Mangal Bhari, slot 10 AM. I have also integrated the test cases for the backend API. If I show you the data for the backend API, cd backend, so I have integrated this test case test using Mocha. Check. It will take some time. So we have deployed our front-end application into Netlify and backend apps into renders. See, all test cases have passed. Vertical booking API connection established. So thank you, friend. I have ended my